Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the review video of NB Arcade. The exterior, you can have a look at the exterior. It's an NB Arcade. You've got two 2 BHKs and one 3 BHK. It's 1,000 odd square feet each flat, and 3 BHK is going to be a little more than 1,000. So this is NB Arcade, located at Hakim Shah Colony, right next or rather adjacent to Mini Brindavan Colony. It has got a 20 odd feet road, wide enough road, which connects you to the Paramount at this side, and then once you take a U-turn and go back, you go straight to the Sheikh Pet. Let's enter into the apartment and have a look at the work progress. So this is going to be the main entrance, and the entire ground floor is going to be the parking slots next to each other, all 4-wheel parking and 2-wheeler parking. Here in this structure, you're going to have paid parking. You need to buy a parking. The parking which comes along with the structure, with your unit or the flat rather, is going to be the 2-wheeler parking. Wide enough staircase, and right opposite to the staircase is the elevator. This is the entire parking lot. Pretty much spacious and very well ventilated. Sufficient car park available. And that's going to be the aisle. That's going to be the main entrance, and there you go. Left at your left and staircase at your right. So let's get on. So we're getting on to the first unit to have a look at the work progress, and there you go. Very minimal common area, so that you don't waste a lot of space in the common area. The moment you get in, at your right hand side will be the 3 BHK. Beautiful false ceiling, pretty much spacious, isn't it? Verified tiles. A balcony with a wash area. It's going to have a full-size door, probably an aluminium sliding door. That's the room number 1. The room number 2. This is going to be the common bath. Next to it is the kitchen. You could see it's pretty much ventilated. Lots of overhead storage options. We Hyderabadis have got a lot of stuff. Gangal, Tateda, Samawar and all those things. Probably the next generation might not know what Gangal and Tateda is. Ask your dadis and nanis, they would know. So this is going to be the master bedroom. It looks like 12 by 11 kind of a room. A lot of white color scheme is there. Quite look decent and presentable, isn't it? So that's going to be the wardrobe. So here we have seen a 3 BHK. 1, 2 and 3. That's the hall. So starting from the right, the first room, the second room and the third room, kitchen and hall. So this is the flat what we have seen a while back, 3 BHK, and right next to it is a 2 BHK. So let's start from the right. This is the first 2 BHK, which will face towards the road, and the moment you enter, you land up in a hall. Creative false ceiling. Probably it will look very nice when you have lights and other colors fixed onto it. Kitchen, which is almost done, excluding the general cleaning, of course. Pretty much ventilated kitchen, bright enough with sunlight. We are almost 50% of the afternoon is finished. So the kitchen, the hall, and this is the common bath with the WC. Then the rest of the bedrooms we made it very private. This is the first bedroom, pretty much spacious. Looks like 13 by 14 kind of a room with a wardrobe, a window, and then you land up in the lobby. that's the lobby. We have seen this room, and let's get on to the second room. This is the second room. Small wardrobe, a window, and yes, a balcony with a wash area, attached bath, and this is the bedroom. The white looks pretty decent, pretty presentable, isn't it? So we came out of this room, bedroom number 1. That's the bedroom number 2, and that's the lobby, and we exit the flat. We are out of the flat. We enter into the next unit. Again, we land up in the hall. It's a 2 BHK, as I told you. You land up in the hall. Nice, presentable false ceiling. It looks little contempt. The common bath, hand wash area probably. This could be the wash area, and the kitchen. False ceiling in the hall, and the false ceiling follows towards the lobby, and that's the kitchen. Wood finish fortified tiles and white fortified tiles with granite for the design purpose. This is room number 1. Overhead storage. Come back to the lobby. That's the room number 2, which is a master bedroom with attached bath and a balcony and a wardrobe and overhead storage as well. So we have seen 3 units here. And look at this, it has got a huge space in front of the structure. You would never ever have a problem with the natural air ventilation. This road straight connects you to Sheikh and Reliance Smart, and this way if you go, it takes you to Paramount. So ladies and gentlemen, this is NB Arcade by Golden Infrastructure and Landmark Homes. It has got 3 units and just 4 more months. By the way, first floor is ready to grab. This unit is ready to grab. If you want, you can go ahead and buy this unit. It has got a partial overhead storage as well. So this unit is 920 square feet, and right next to it is road facing 920 square feet. And then you have 1100 square feet of 3 BHK, which is right at the back. So basically, once you come out, this is the common area, elevator, the staircase. At your right, once you come up from the staircase, you would see this 3 BHK at the back. Then to your left is 2 BHK, the first 2 BHK. Okay, and then the second 2 BHK. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this. Do subscribe to our channel and have a wonderful, fantastic, fantabulous and wonderful day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Landmark Homes Hyderabad signing off.